Hello everyone, here's how to install the SK45 Mac driver and print. Go to our official website, cinmark.com. Click Software Download. Then click Driver. And download the SK45 driver. Open the installation package. When prompted, go to Privacy and Security Settings. Choose Still Open. Then click Open. Click Continue. Enter your Mac password. Click Install. Then click Close. Next, go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select SK45. And choose Software. Scroll down to find SK45 2.3, select it, and click OK. The driver is now successfully installed. Open the printer queue, go to Settings. Then click Open Utility. Click Create New Label Size, enter the actual paper size installed. Input your Mac password. And click Print Test Page. The machine will feed paper normally, test successful. To install the editing software, go back to the official website and download the editing software. Open the installation program, go to Applications. Double-click to install. Once installed, click Settings to set the language. Click New, set a template name and define the label size. Click New Text, double-click to input text. And adjust the font size. Click Barcode. Double-click to edit the barcode content. Click Print, select the SK45 driver. And click Print. The machine will feed paper normally, test completed. Customers can edit the content according to their actual needs.